Wait, and if you fit learn how to produce things where people they use every day, like soap, skincare products, and household chemicals.
Knowledge fit change your life.
Welcome to Moneyway TV.
So today we are going to be looking into how to rebatch our soap. Yes, you can rebatch soaps that have gone bad. You can rebatch leftovers. You can rebatch off cuts. You can rebatch soaps that didn't really form the desired shape you want. So in this case, I did a cold process soap lately, and the mold that I was supposed to pour all the molten soap was filled up, so I had no choice than to just leave the leftover in this pot. So it have hardened here. I'm trying to break it into pieces. Yes, you may see this white powder, that's calcium. It is undissolved. It went to the bottom of the pot to undissolved. So thank God to this rebatching process, I will have to melt everything and it will dissolve, and I will have it in the other part of my soap. So these are off cut from the cutting of the soap. So I'm now pouring it into the leftover at the bottom pot. So as you can see, I have added everything together. This is the quantity of the soap I want to rebatch. It will be a hot process. I've on my cooking medium and I've placed the off cuts on it. So I'll be leaving it there to melt. You don't really need to disturb yourself. Once it is heating, it will melt gradually. You can from time to time go and stir so that it will be dissolving evenly. So here I have it that it have finally dissolved. As you can see, it have finally dissolved. So I'll be pouring it into my mold, and in this case I'm using a small carton to do my mold, which you can also do. So I'm done. I'll be pouring it into the carton, which I have layered with a nylon waterproof, so it will be easy to bring it out when it have hardened. So that is what I'm about to do now. I'll be pouring it and I will leave it there to harden. Always follow Moneyways, because we will be showing you skills and ways to do, practical ways to do the real thing. Thank you and God bless you as you watch this video.